Don't eat the paper. Are you playing tug-of-war with Molly? Are you playing tug-of-war with Molly? Finally, someone to play tug-of-war with, huh, Molly? Get it! Get it! Go give it to Jay. Go give it to Jay. He wants to play with you. Jay wants to play with you. Not me. Is that funny? Is Molly funny?